random bowl of fruit just sitting.
A bowl of fruit.
Yeah, right there at Cinemark. I was doing the list of that.
Is it funny?
I know, I wanted to see it, but I've got to sit down and see it.
You go first. I can't make this all good.
8:30, 8:30.
I can't. I was trying to force out a hiccup. I'm about to burp and hang out instead. Oh my god, I have to pee. Oh.
What?
Okay.
Oh, I've got
Keep
tomorrow,
that.
I had the office got closed Friday. After I got those papers Wednesday, so I'm gonna, in the morning I've got to fax them to the guy at all that. And then
Feels
go
so
over and
unattractive.
Hartford, and then they have
I would so need it.
5 days to process.
Oh, yeah.
Ow, that one burned.
I
You
emailed
look
them
constipated.
Wednesday morning.
Stop talking to me.
When did I go to
Whoa!
that?
I didn't know that's
It might have been
that's not
Thursday.
in the
I
house.
don't know. I emailed him one morning. Friday morning.
Constipated.
I can't
I
do
emailed
it.
him Friday morning and explained to him my situation.
Do not throw up.
Or when pay money, and it's going to take a few days to process it, to be at the most.
Stop like you.
And he didn't ever email me back. I don't know what he's doing for the
Oh, God.
Every time I try and burp, I have to make myself tea. Okay, wait, here it goes.
Yeah, he said he gets everything on his phone and text.
Mine is so much better.
If I don't get one back, like this afternoon, I'll email him or call him in the morning. And ask him.
That was
If I
very
can
weird.
do, you know, something.
Ow, I just broke. Okay.
If I can figure out what I have.
So you can go.
They don't do all anything.
But it's still Calvin Downer's esophagus.
It is?
I think.
Got my unemployment money, I'll call that in for the last.
Turn around.
Debit card
Don't you?
for the last 2 weeks.
Is that your sister? Is your sister in any of these?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see her.
Here we go.
It comes out your butt. I'm gonna pee all over your kitchen.
I just had it, Delina.
I love you too.
Yeah.
Where's your dog?
You gotta be careful. Just stop it, y'all just sit.
Oh my god, I have to pee.
You want me in on it?
Oh, my mom can whip us both.
Okay.
Come on, Mom, make it
You're not putting
happen.
it on YouTube, are you?
Mm-hmm.
Do we have any Diet Dr. Peppers? I guess I could slam my beer real quick.
That Dr. Peppers, those are...
Didn't you
Oh,
bring it outside?
What?
Didn't you bring it back outside?
I've got to finish it.
There's a Dr. Cheerleader tie.
Is this yours?
Mm-hmm. Can't get out of the way.
You have to look over there.
Don't look at all.
They're not putting it on YouTube.
Come here now. That one wasn't good.
I know,
You
you
did
did
better.
good. Are these apples good? They're ambrosia.
Mm-hmm. I ate one last night.
Something Play-Doh said they're like best.
Uh-huh.
I just realized that I'm prejudiced towards grapes. I don't eat ugly grapes or
I know.
weird grapes or.
I sit there and pick all the grapes. If it's squishy, I won't eat it. If it has a scratch, I won't eat it. You're in the way. Right, Homer? Thank you.
What time is it?
2:12.
Okay, you have to remind me to pee before we go.
But
Not now.
I don't think I have burp left in me. I don't think I have burp left in me.
Maybe if I drop tequila, it'll come out.
When we were on the Dr. Pepper's, okay, when I was at Robin's house, when we were on the phone, I burped like really super loud and then I felt so retarded because I burped dark pepper things.
You just hate it when you're hanging out with a whole bunch of girly girls and you do something manly that guys think is so cool, and then you do it and you feel like you're a complete
And you're like, ew, and it's like, ew your face. Have fun. It's fun to work.
Oh yeah, we have to take a tray over there. Really fast.
Oh, my friend! I just the fall. God, my retainer. Oh! You really have small teeth, and you started first. Hey, don't you dare put that on my floor. What a pig! So freaking retarded.
Takes one to know one.
What, a retarded?
It made sense in my head. I bet you look really retarded when you piss.
At least I kissed someone.
I have two, they just don't count.
Really, who? Oh, you mean whenever you pulled away? So you go.
For the record, that never happened. I said, I'm sorry. And then I walked away.
You spoke gibberish. Oh, wait.
Oh, that totally sucked.
Ah, in your face. Oh, that was horrible.
Okay. Do we wash the dishes or?
Just rinse it before we dishwasher.
Are you sure? Because I can wash it real quick.
No, we just rinse it under the dishwasher.
Okay. Okay, Guitar Hero.
Is it still recording?
Say bye
Where's your dog?
to Lena.
White. White?
Zooming in on your butt.
Really?
Yeah.
What? What's on my butt?
Whoa, that's a.
What is it? Oh my god!
I think you sat in something.
Are you joking? What?